Now, I just love these banana pancakes right here, so if you can make me a banana honey one. These are really good. I haven't had one since I've been here, so check it out. This is it right there. What she's doing is forming it in her hand, holding it up right there. After putting the bananas on there, these are always good. You just cut it up, little slices, you know, pretty good. How you doing? It is, it is. Yeah, honey action. What is it, 50 baht?
40 baht.
40 baht, okay, sounds good. Oops, here, you can keep it. Thank you very much. Cup Kung Ka. Now look at that, see? That is absolutely awesomeness. Right there. Honey, banana, Nutella. Tonight I'm here at the Karon night market, and this market here in Karon only goes, what's that, Tuesday and Fridays, so we're gonna go in here and check it out and have some fun. So let's go see what they got. This is right at the beginning, right up there. You see that temple. It's easy to find, just look for the temple in Karon, and there it is. Every Tuesday and Friday. Swadee Cup. Looks very good. Look at this. See. I just love looking at all this different food. So these are the insects right here. Right there. Swadee Cup. This looks really good. I had some of these in Cambodia. So they're kind of all set up here in little stalls. Got the kebab guy right here. That looks good. Lumpia, fresh lumpia. Walk around. Look at this. Fresh barbecue. Beautiful. I mean, I just love being here. There's just so much food, and it's just totally awesome. I mean, these market areas are just so fun to be at. So go down here. There is the beginning where I just came in at, and this is the start on the other side. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Swadee Cup. She's a pancake lady. I just love these pancakes. Swadee Cup. And this right here, more delicious food. Swadee Cup. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Good, very good, very good. Here's barbecue. Swadee Cup. Yeah, barbecue. Barbecue right here, 130 baht. Swadee Cup. Wow, that looks good. Can't wait to come back. That's a good barbecue right there. And here we are at the fruits, and I gotta see if they have the what do you call the passion fruit. This is mango steam right here. That is really good. It's 70 baht a kilo. There is the passion fruit. and
Good. Good.
papaya.
Good. Yeah, good.
That's an overview right there. I just came from over there. And take a look around up this way. Check out the other art. No, they have more than just food here. They also have a lot of little shirts and souvenirs that you can get here. So check this out right here. There's the t-shirts, you know. Over here, it's more sweaty cup. Over here and see what they have. I've been to this market before. I generally like to stick around the food section. I mean, these are all the t-shirts. I mean, all the little stuff, but it's always good to see. Go inside. More t-shirt sections. So this is the other entrance coming into the night market here in Karon. So check this out. You can come in from this way and I'll take a walk. There it is. I just love this temple. And this is the beginning of it here. And there is the temple. I just love these Buddhist temples. Beautiful. I can't wait to start touring some of these beautiful Buddhist temples. I just love them. So I'll kind of give you an idea what it actually looks like here around the temples, the way they have this set up. So up here, there is the temple, or parts of it, and then they actually set up these little vendor stalls just on the outside. And that is absolutely beautiful. The architecture just is stunning. And then here's another one right here. Look at that, beautiful. And then, I don't know, on the outside, some more vendor slots. And back to the market area. So this is overall the experience here at the Karon Night Market, which is, I think, on this trip right here, it's very limited on the food stalls. It mainly concentrates on, you know, like souvenirs, t-shirts, and, you know, the little stuff like, you know, teas and soaps and t-shirts. But as far as the food stuff, really not a lot. And I'll just take some stuff here, give you an idea that it's mainly a lot of souvenirs, at least up in this section. I mean, they seem to have the food down in the one area, although when I was here last time they had it in a couple different areas. But you know, it's low season, but still a great experience. And if you are here, visit this market. It's worth it. The trinkets you can get, you know, minus obviously the food section that is my favorite. This is what else they have for sale here. You know, it looks like a big bazaar actually, and pretty much what it is. T-shirt vendor, and watches. These fancy bags. So this is a vendor like right outside the Karon Night Market, and I just love barbecue. So check this out, this little vendor. What is that? Is this what kind of? Oh yeah, Is that liver? Is that beef?
Chicken.
Chicken. Oh,
Chicken liver. Papaya salad.
So this is chicken liver, the end of this video. And thank you very much for following along. You know, if you like this content, you know, please consider subscribing. I travel to a lot of places, go to a lot of cool areas, and I love adventures. And tonight is the Karon night market. And thank you very much. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. And I am leaving the place that I entered. Same area.
What are you doing with ice?
This is a lasting shot of the food section, my favorite here at this Karon night market.
Rồi 20 lão 20 màu